All right. Yeah, good day, guys. Welcome back to Even Enterprises. All right, so we're going to review our directions for the week and then we're going to take new directions. All right, we're going to take new directions for the new week. I think it was a very profitable week for me, though. I think it was a very profitable week for you, somewhere. Everybody on the group made money this week. So,
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir. It was all thanks to you, sir.
all right. So, and it's not supposed to be all thanks to me. Everybody is supposed to be able to take trades. But let's check this. I think this was a week ago, so this would have been it, right? So, predicted that Boom 1K will drop down to this place on the daily time frame, and yeah, it started dropping. So, very good. We predicted this thing later drop, cha. Stubborn stuff. We predicted that Boom 1K, Boom 500. Let me see what we predicted for Boom 500. Even though we did dollar analysis during the week, that was going to retrace to this side and drop. And yeah, it did not retrace. So it is still there. Crash 500. What was our prediction? We predicted that it was going to rally back into any of this and drop on the daily time frame. And it did not. Okay, I think it did here this and it dropped. Yeah. So it did this, actually did this and it dropped. So quite a good one. If somebody just took swing on our trades, I think the person would have been a profitable guy. Anyways, let's see the last one. Oh, sorry, we did not take a direction for crash 1K. All right, so that is for that. Then we need to look at one more thing. So we need to take our directions for the new week. In my opinion, I think this will continue dropping for the next week to break this. This is my humble opinion. I think it's going to form the lower low this new week
Which one, sir?
from 1000, and it's still dropping actually. Although I left yesterday because I didn't want to hold anything, and obviously it could have retraced a bit. Obviously, wouldn't have been able to enter my entry because my first entry was here. I took two entries here. I took about two here also. So yeah, but this was a good place to sell it again. Obviously, it's a fair place to sell it again. And yeah, I don't think okay. One can still do this. If anybody still wants to trade today or tomorrow, which I might not do, this is still a fair option. Let me check 1 hour time frame. It's showing too many things here. But yeah, there's a king here. So we can know that this king could push it back up a bit. So what would return it back? There's also another king here on 4 hours. So I think if I would simply draw it, I would put it like this. Right? So I think some of the things to watch out for as we are taking directions for this new week would be something like this. Just one short little pullback on 1 minute on 4 hours, and then it should continue the rally down. So
Oh, which one is that, sir?
it's still the boom market. I'm just checking several ways.
Okay.
Yeah, for boom 500, I think he's already going to form the lower low. So I'm expecting it to continue a drop maybe for the whole of next week. For the whole of next week, I think so. Might not see this again. We might see just some little pullback, which it looks like it has almost done already, and just some major push back down again. So we just continue the trend down with it. 500 honestly is going to continue dropping. Where to continue dropping to, I don't know. Let me check the weekly time frame. I think he wants to go and form the lower low on the weekly time frame. He wants to go from the lower low. So um so we just have to watch it form the lower low. Then we can start looking for buys. But if you want to take short sales, I don't know, probably target this, maybe not. Just have to look for a retracement to sell again, but it continues to drop, my opinion. Crash 1000. I've been following the
Assume
sell
that
from here.
boom 500 is going to sell, Abi.
Yeah, it will continue selling, but it might have a short retracement, but it will continue selling.
Okay.
Crash 1000 was an awesome sell from that our analysis yesterday. So I'm expecting it to probably
Yes.
form a lower low. I'm expecting it to go from a lower low. So Crash 1000 will continue to drop. Somewhere, please mute. Crash
Okay, sir.
1000 will continue to drop. Yeah. So that's basically it actually. There's not much that we have to check. The major directions have been formed. I think most of them will sell this week. Boom 1000 will sell. Boom 500 will sell. Crash 500 will continue selling. Crash 1000 will continue selling. Retrace a bit and continue selling. But let's just watch out for this. Let's just watch out for this because the push up that happened there. Let's watch out for this when the market rallies into this. What might happen? So let's watch out for this. But as far as apart from that, I think we're pretty done. Um, this one I would like to probably watch out for a trade as soon as possible because on Monday it might have moved fully. So if possible, I might take it. If possible, not. But yeah, I have more than enough to risk maybe not this week. So yeah, so that basically is it for me. For us, I'm not checking step index, please. I don't want to trade it. Not anytime soon.
I think volatility 25 too is making some lower lows when I checked it.
I don't check 25 probably. I've not checked this probably in a year.
Ah,
I don't check 25. The last time I would have checked 25 would be probably a year. But yeah, it's on a downtrend from what I'm seeing here. Yeah, it's selling crazily on the higher time frames. It's on a very massive downtrend. So some things you can mark self is this king for it to retrace back in its continuous selling, but like it's dropping massively. So I don't know what anybody is to do. Maybe wait for a retracement, join sell, whatever the case is. I really don't know. Well, for me, I am trading. I focus on what I love focusing on. So, but let's watch out for boom 1K and probably boom 500 if we can see a fair entry anytime soon.
okay, sir. Please let me know when you're about to enter, sir.
If I will enter, I don't know. But yeah, it's
Okay,
something
no
to watch out
problem.
for. Something to watch out for. All right. So that being said, I think we can come and we can call this a wrap. Very short, but that is the analysis for the week. So we're going to post it on IG. So someone just post the based on the format I'll send to discuss that. So we'll post it on IG and then we let's hope we have to have a profitable trading week
Is it the
next week.
screenshot? The screenshot, Abi?
Yeah, I'm going to send it to you.
Okay, no
All right,
problem.
thank you.
And I have something to say.
All right.
Like, okay, can we be posting like a short clip of the analysis on IG? Then maybe we'll just send them a link to the.
Yeah, yeah, we can. Um, I think Samuel's network has an issue already. So let's just let me round up. So we're going to see again during the week. The analysis will be on IG and it will be on your YouTube right now. Thank you very much, guys. Cheers and God bless, guys.